How to set up a video scheduled premiere on YouTube is pretty straightforward. In this video, I will use some screenshots taken while uploading a recent video to YouTube on this channel, the Toray Perspectives channel, to illustrate the scheduled premiere process. The link to that fascinating video is now showing above. A scheduled premiere is not to be confused with an instant premiere, which is the other video premiere option available on YouTube. For an instant premiere, a creator's video is published instantly after it is set to instant premiere. That is, the pre-recorded video will premiere instantly after it finishes processing on your channel after the end of the upload process, and will be played immediately with its content fully accessible and available for public viewing by anyone, including subscribers. The other premiere option, the scheduled premiere, is the focus of this video. This is where the content of a creator's pre-recorded uploaded video is not set to publish immediately. The publication of the video is postponed until such time that the creator has chosen, or scheduled for its premiere, or release, when the video will then become accessible and available for public viewing by anyone, including subscribers. A couple of restrictions to note about the scheduled premiere process are: First, currently, the scheduled premiere option is only available for long-form videos. It is currently not available for short-form videos, that is, shorts. Second, a premiere will not publish during a penalty period if your channel has a community guideline strike. Third, currently, the option to upload a trailer video as part of the scheduled premiere process is only available for creators with more than 1,000 subscribers. Now to the steps on how to set up a video scheduled premiere on YouTube. 1. You will log in on a computer to YouTube Studio as usual, for a video upload. 2. Using the Create or Upload button, you will upload your finalized video and thumbnail as usual. 3. You will continue with the video upload process, details, video elements, and checks, until you get to the visibility page, which is the last page in the upload process. 4. On the visibility page, set to save as unlisted. Ensure that you do not save as private, as your video will then not be set for a public scheduled premiere. 5. You will schedule by setting the video to schedule as public. 6. Once it is set to schedule as public, you will have the option to choose and select the premiere date and the premiere time, including the time zone, when you want your unlisted video to be published with its content made accessible and available for public viewing. 7. Select Set as Premiere. 8. Once it is set as premiere, you will choose your desired countdown theme for the premiere. Currently, about 15 countdown themes are provided by YouTube for creators to choose from, and select one as their desired countdown theme. The chosen countdown theme video will play at the premiere time you selected on the premiere date. 9. You will also have the option to choose your desired countdown length, which will apply to your chosen countdown theme. Current countdown length options available are 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, or 5 minutes. 10. You may preview your chosen countdown settings to see how the theme will look and sound, before you save both of your countdown selections. 11. When you are back on the visibility page, you will then select Schedule to conclude the video upload process. This action merely saves the scheduled video for processing, but it does not publish the video publicly at this time. 12. At this point, creators with more than 1,000 subscribers will have the option to replace any selected countdown theme provided by YouTube with a trailer with a minimum length of 15 seconds and a maximum length of 3 minutes to play during the countdown period. The creator would already have uploaded the trailer as a regular long-form video in YouTube Studio, and would then add it as a trailer to the scheduled premiere. If you have followed these 12 steps correctly, you are now set for the scheduled premiere of your video on your chosen premiere date and time. Creators should note that any selected countdown theme or trailer will play first at the chosen premiere time on the premiere date, and then be followed immediately afterwards by the premiere video itself. At the premiere time on the premiere date, creators can view their video premiere in real time at its public release, and experience it together with their viewers, including their subscribers. Creators will have the opportunity to chat, interact, and otherwise engage with their viewers. A premiered video will remain on your channel as a regular video after the scheduled premiere, but without the countdown theme. Certain additional tidbits are now highlighted to help creators with optional housekeeping matters, both pre-premiere and post-premiere. Some pre-premiere optional housekeeping matters to keep in mind are: 1. A creator can promote their video pre-premiere as they choose to generate interest and pull in views, including on social media. They can do this by sharing the URL or video link of the premiere video public watch page. This URL is one and the same as the video's URL, which you get in the usual manner when it is automatically generated during a video's upload. The URL will lead to the premiere landing page, that is, the premiere video public watch page, where the video's thumbnail will be shown together with the premiere date and premiere time as a sort of advertisement, or poster for the video. The video itself will not publicly play until the premiere date and time, as only the thumbnail will show publicly on the premiere video public watch page and elsewhere across YouTube on the homepage, in search, and video recommendations. 2. A Notify Me button will also appear on the premiere video public watch page, which when clicked will enable a notification to be sent to a viewer about 30 minutes before the premiere starts, and also at the start of the countdown at the premiere time on the premiere date. You can draw viewers' attention in the chat box to the Notify Me button and encourage them to click to be notified on the premiere date. 3. You may also choose to pin a comment in the chat box on the premiere video public watch page for viewers, to set reminders, chat, and leave comments, and to let them know that you will be at the premiere in real time to engage with them. 4. Ahead of the premiere, you may also set the community rules you desire to moderate live chats on the premiere video public watch page. Live chats at the premiere will also be subject to YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. The settings cover matters like enable a subscribers-only live chat, or members-only live chat, or assign moderators, or block, or hold chats containing certain words, or enable slow mode to limit, or delay how often each user can send a chat by setting a time limit between chats. 5. Up until the premiere time, the option to change the scheduled premiere date and time on your channel's content page in YouTube Studio is available to you as the video's creator. To do this, you will click on the visibility section for your video on your channel's content page, which will be set to premiere, and you then amend the settings as you desire. A few post-premiere optional housekeeping matters to keep in mind are: 1. Following the premiere of the video, a creator may want to update any comment that they previously pinned to their video. 2. After the live stream of a premiere video, a creator may also consider other channel settings to adjust, such as whether to turn off live chat replay, or view, or delete live chat history, or view, or turn off comments on the video's page. Do share in the comments section your experience setting up your scheduled premiere of your video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Do comment below, turn on the notification bell, and share this video. Thanks for your time with the Toray Perspectives channel. We reflect on different perspectives when navigating and handling various tricky and puzzling social interactions and life situations, which can bring the best and worst out of people.